Heading out on a little road trip. And where are we heading, Linn?
I don't know.
What?
Gustav has made this a surprise, so I don't know where we're going.
That sounds interesting.
Yeah.
Well, then I hope that I know where we're going.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Well, I guess we just have to see where this guy will bring us.
Okay, so we're somewhere here in the middle of nowhere. It's called Dennery. And I'm starting to get quite anxious about what we're going to do. But I figured out that Gustav used my bank card for something yesterday. So he has paid something already, but I don't know what. Let's see how it turns out.
To the last run here on the course.
That's right.
Yep, so it's number 12 and this is supposed to be a really gnarly one.
Yeah.
So far there's been one 240 meter long.
That's right.
Longest.
If you don't see more from us, we will probably fall down into the rainforest here.
That might be the case, yeah. And on this run, Linn is gonna take you guys with her on the whole run. Okay, so let's put you on, Linn.
Yeah, send in. You ready?
Yeah.
Go.
So how many peanuts out of 27 does ziplining on Dominica get? No, Dominica, St. Lucia, sorry.
Well, you'd get out of 27, you said?
Yeah.
I would give it 20.
20, yeah. That's good, pretty good. Just broke down and apparently it's something wrong with the gear, so as soon as we put in the forward or the back gear it doesn't run at all, so yeah, we couldn't make it back to the boat, and now we're getting towed by this really nice guy who happened to stop by, so yeah, really lucky right there. So just going slow and steady towards the boat and some dinner right now. How's it going, Linn?
Going good.
Nice. Is it looking new and shiny?
Almost. As good as it can be, I guess.
Sounds good. Later on we're going to beautiful Marigo Beach here a little bit further south in St. Lucia, and before that I'm gonna do the dishes. Damn.
It's April the 1st, and in Sweden that means that you should try to fool someone. So I said to Gustav that He has to call the police and the VHF and tell them we're leaving before we're leaving, and I'm going to tell him a really funny name. So if any of you has that name, I'm sorry, I just thought it was funny. So yeah, let's see if he can be tricked. Du skulle ropa på Sir Kubuli Rumpelstiltskin. Han är inte så.
Nej. Nej. Det gjorde han inte alls.
Jo, ropa nu bara.
Nej. Nej. Då får du ropa. Du driver bara med mig.
You almost got fooled, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
No,
you're
you were really... Look, he had the right channel on and everything. He was just about to call.
Yeah. Kubuli Rumpelstiltskin.
Nej. Kumuli.
Kumuli Rumpelstiltskin. That sounds like a native St. Lucian person. Absolutely. Our plans of going to Marigot Bay went not so good. The engine started perfectly when we were out on the anchorage, so we went into the fuel station, pumped a few liters of diesel, and when we were gonna start the engine again, it just refused to start. So fortunately we find a really nice guide at the marina who took a look at the engine and listened to it, and he immediately said that it's the start batteries. You definitely have to change the start batteries. So we plugged in, got some land power, and then the engine started easily, which gave us another receipt that we definitely need to change these batteries. Yeah, so Linn is just checking in on the marina now, and we just came in here to pull out the old batteries and go get a couple of new start batteries. Yeah, it's a little bit of a change of plan, but still we're in the marina, and it feels pretty good actually. So we went to the car shop and tried to get new starting batteries to our boat, but it seems like the ones they had that was a little bit cheaper would probably not fit where we have our start batteries. And then they had a model that would definitely fit, but that one was pretty expensive.
And too low power. So.
And yeah, not enough power on that one. So yeah, so now we're gonna have to wait here in Rodney Bay a little bit more. We're gonna into the marina, and tomorrow is Sunday, so that means no shops open at all in the Caribbean. So yeah, tomorrow we will go on some kind of adventure instead, I guess, and take care of the start battery problem on Monday again.
That's right.
But we're not complaining because we're gonna take a dip in the pool. Overslept once again, which usually happens to us for some reason, and now we actually made it to our destination where we were supposed to go, even though it's Sunday. So after a quite bumpy bus ride in an hour or so, we finally made it to the little village of Soufrière, which has these two big mountains at about 700 and 800 meters high. They just go straight up from the sea. Looks pretty cool, so I'm gonna go check out some waterfall, take a bath, and just hike a little bit.
Yeah, and then try to get it right back somehow.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes. So we just had our first dip in a warm waterfall. So this little waterfall here comes down from the mountains as usual, and then on the way it blends with a hot sulfur water that comes up from the ground, and that blend creates this perfect like heat of the water, so it's like exactly body temperature, so you can light it for how long you want. Just take it easy and chill out. And they call it the fountain of youth. So, do you feel any younger, Linn?
My skin does, maybe.
Maybe, yeah. Maybe it takes some time for it to work on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's really, really nice place, hidden in the rainforest here in St. Lucia.
So I'm standing here in this sauna hot boat, since it hasn't been open today, and fortunately we managed to get a ride all the way from Soufrière to the marina, which was good since there were no buses going, or we don't know, but some said there wasn't and some said there was. Okay. And yeah, now we're starving. So we're gonna make some dinner.
So I'm just finishing off the installation of our new batteries. So since the battery from the marine shop didn't fit, we went to a car store. They had batteries quite similar to the ones we had before. So they look like this. So I'm almost finished here, and yeah, some American quality batteries, which will hopefully last at least a couple of years, or around the world or so. So we're finally leaving Rodney Bay Marina, and now we're heading for Marigot Bay.
This is not my cup of tea. But we will make it.
I've been hunking the board now a couple of times. Good morning everybody. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you want to support us even more, you can do that by checking out our Patreon page in the description down below.